Let's start with the heart sensor. This is the LED. Because it's infrared, you will not see any light. It's infrared. And this is the sensor. This is the LED and this is the sensor. The only way to use this sensor, heart rate sensor, is like this. You put this on your nail. The LED is on your nail. And the sensor on the fingertip. Not squeeze it too much. This is the only way to use this sensor. The only way. Now let's go to the GSR electrodes. Each electrode has metal button. This is the metal button, you see? So one fingerprint on the metal. And then we close it. Very simple. The metal touch the fingertip. Let's go to the third or fourth. The same logic. Okay, the metal button, the metal button touch the fingertip. The metal button touch the fingertip. This sensor, it's like this. This is the only way that it will work.